Good morning, YouTube.
Yeah. That's your son. I said, that's your son.
Oh, that's my son. You're right.
That's not your wife.
No.
No. You could have done a better job.
I'm happy.
Right.
I don't want them to visit me. Okay?
Uh-huh.
Tiny BB.
Oh. This crazy thing.
Usually farmer people, they wear shoes when they come out to the farm.
I never said I was a normal farmer person.
Welcome, YouTube, to Lakeland Wacky World of Farming. It didn't rain.
No.
Nah. But it did rain a little bit yesterday. Everything's looking good. The well's looking good. The mountain is looking good. Eventually, I'll just keep that going a couple of more times. Today, I am going to finish this area here. This area, put the wood in. If that's the only thing I can do today, guys, then that's the only thing I can do. Oh, and then try to plant that banana root there. Then put the mulch in this area here. I promise you, it's a lot of work. And then got to trim those up with a new mulch. But you can only do what your body can only do, guys. Don't overdo it. Take your time, drink plenty of water. Make sure it's cool out. We're out here early.
Yeah.
Spend a couple hours. You might spend 2 hours, and sometimes it comes to 4 hours because we don't pay attention to the time. But make sure you're drinking water and everything through that. So,
Yeah.
What's your plan for today?
My plan for today is I gotta get that fixed. If they get in there nesting and it gets windy, that door could pop open if they got too close to the edge.
Gotcha.
The wood I've got is not thick enough, and I know I've got a piece in here somewhere.
Gotcha.
And the crazy thing of it is,
Yes.
I gotta remember what the heck I did with it.
Oh, and
Oh, for crying out
squirrels
loud,
know
so many crickets.
that's not real. So now, after weeks of being scared, now they're challenging the owl. I'm telling you, we got to clean this out, dude.
Well,
I mean, straighten it out. That area there's more straightened out. We got to straighten out this. This here,
Well, I have a feeling you took all my little bitty pieces and you tossed them.
little pieces of what?
Pieces of little wood, little cuts off.
If anything, they're in here or they're in that green thing where possibly a snake is. So be careful when you reach in there.
Right.
But we got to stop freaking putting stuff like this in, because now this is getting crazy.
Don't say we, Chinaman.
Okay. Yellow toolbox.
I put that in there.
Okay, hang on. Wood.
Well, once I'm done.
No,
with
I want to hear I.
I did.
I put that. Okay. Thank you. Oh, hang on. That plastic bag with the tubes and the bowl.
That's what's being
And the
used
nails?
for that.
I know, but who put that there?
I did.
Oh, okay.
But
No Chinaman here.
I didn't put that shit there.
I know. I'm just saying.
I didn't probably throw all BB's little cut-offs.
No,
away.
I probably didn't. If we did, we probably use them.
No,
If they're not in that green thing,
it's not in there.
no, in that tube. Should be in there. That's where all the wood is at. Might be at the bottom, that's all. Just gotta, who dares to reach in there? Who dares to reach in there? I don't know. And we can think of, we can use plastic. Get a plastic piece. This is the hardest part, is to get that like that, because she had it up in the air. So I'm going to scoop my shovel. I'm going to make a well. And then again, clean all that and work our way. Using that trench shovel, you see the thing? That is a lot easier to work with. building my trench line, because when she put this on here, she had it up, but we want to get it like that. So if you, and that's, the trench shovel is good for the mounds too when you're trenching around the bananas, but trench shovel works a heck of a lot easier than the regular shovel.
Yeah, when you're doing that.
Yeah, because when we pull that wood out, we're going to have more room for that there. Yeah, that pole can come down. Alrighty. And this is coming along, guys. Doesn't matter what it looks like, as long as it looks good for you. That's all that counts. You found a bird egg? Where? Ooh, let me see.
A bird egg.
Cool. Didn't make it.
No.
Or a squirrel brought it. While I'm doing this, BB's doing a live. She's making her box for her flower, like a vase. And she's doing a tutorial live for you guys. So we're doing two things at once. And I'm getting there. And now with this hoe, I go back and forth. Not too deep. I could use a till here, but the only reason I don't use a till because I'm scared of messing up those roots. But you don't have to go deep with this one because it's got a hole. And you can see it's ripping up all the weed roots. So this does come in handy. I'll be doing that section, this section. This piece is done. BB's on her live. Show you how everything's set up. Because I said I got to make a well, and then mounds for those other ones there. And by doing this too, I'm loosening up the dirt so that the water will drain to the roots and stuff. So this is where I'm at. And then I'm going to come with a rake and I'm just going to level it all out the best that I can. All right. Another thing I do want to say, guys, I know when I was younger and I would see tools, you know, like that shovel there and this here, and I would say to myself, what the heck? Trust me, if you're young and you're watching this, get every possible tool you have, especially if you have a big backyard, you're gardening and everything. You got 2, 4, 5 acres, get yourself a tractor. Get yourself chainsaws, get yourself everything you can, because of course prices do go up eventually, but I promise you, you know, we bought these later in the game, but I promise you guys, get your tools while you're young, get the right tools while they're cheap. They don't have to be expensive ones, they could be made in China or whatever. Just get them, because when you start getting my age, I promise you, those tools will come in handy. All right, let's finish this up. All righty. Anyway, people are probably saying, why are you doing this by hand? I'm going to tell you, I ain't got nothing but time. I probably won't even wake up tomorrow morning. This is calm. This is soothing. I'm here. Now I'm going to put some of that compost around there. I did make some wells, or no, mounds for that. I don't know if that pineapple tree is going to survive, but we do know in about a month or two we will be cutting the top part off. But this avocado tree is coming back. We just got to find out where it's coming back. If it comes back high, if not, we'll be trimming it down there. But it looks like it's coming off of this stem, and there might be on this stem, but this will be cut off here eventually. Here I'm gonna make a well for this one here, and I'm gonna add some compost. But yep, so like I said, dude, you want to come out here, you want the peace of mind, you ain't worry about news, TV, come out here and get some yard work done. You want to put a radio on, you can, but just do something. Keep your mind sane. So it looks like a lot of work, but it's coming along. This will be completed today. Will I be able to do another project? I don't know. We'll see. One day at a time. How's your live going?
It's going.
Well,
Not
she's
able to talk to a lot of people with doing this, but they're talking among themselves, so that's not a bad thing.
all right. While she's doing that, I just did a video on how to get your avocado tree to grow if you're having problems fruiting. That wire brush thing, I mean that wire rod thing will 2 years you will see flowers, and then eventually you'll have avocados, especially if you have a big avocado tree. And like my mom's over there, we did that to her tree and we did it to that baby tree, and you've seen how the avocados grew on that tree. 2 years after that, I think she had 1 or 2 avocados, and now we're like up to 9 or 10 or 15. This one here flowered, but the problem was it was so windy, it wasn't strong enough. Eventually those will get stronger and hold the avocado, but because we had the freeze, we have to see where it's going to grow from on that one. And who knows, it might even come stronger, and with not only that in there, but only time would tell. We know that is going to come back, but where the height is, we don't know. And again, here, we don't know where the height is because this looks like it's it's coming up here. So I wanted to get that done now. Leave that open because the dryness, I mean, you can water it, but you want it to stay dry. You don't want it in the ground. And then eventually that will come over the tree. Yep, she's still doing her live, going strong, guys. Thank you for everyone who watches the live. Alright, so let me know. I'll be right there. In the meantime, I found some scrap wood. Less money I can pay, the better. Found me a scrap wood, made a border. You notice I'm putting the compost on top. Mounds. Well bottom. Mounds top. Bananas love mounds. I don't know what the pineapple likes, but I gave it a well. So everything is compost. This compost is coming good. Now this compost contains of all our scraps, eggshells, lemons, coffee, everything. The reason I put it on top, because the mound, eventually that dirt will slide down. With this being sugar sand, the sugar would want to rise to the top, and then this dirt will eventually go to the bottom. So that's why I'm keeping it on top. So that even if it rains or whatever and it slides down, that's fine. But the sugar sand will float. And you can see it right there. It's just not getting wet at all. See? But anyway, the sugar sand will float eventually. And then this compost will go to the bottom where the roots are. So basically, I'm there. Alrighty. That was BB's live. Oops, it's full. It's full. This will be another day. The cleanup. Put the tools away, that's the main thing, but all this stuff, gotta clean this up. But eventually during the week, we'll sprinkle all those little flowers like that for the butterflies. And then we got the milkweed up there. I don't know if she's gonna plant any milkweed down here, to be honest with you. But that's looking good. It's a nice homemade little thing she made there. And then we gotta do this for the gondolas. Right by that is where the gondolas are gonna go. I'm gonna try this second attempt to grow gondolas. You lucky you weren't standing in there when that fell down.
Right?
Holy man, you took down everything, dude.
Sure did.
Holy shoot.
Took it all down, baby.
So I said we gotta get this stuff organized, boy.
Because this is just ridiculous.
Alrighty, we did it, BB. You did a live. I did a video. I did this video here. Again, she's looking good. Keep growing up, man. Keep shedding. This looks good. I don't know if I'm going to use all them branches, because sometimes they take too long to decompost. We do have one that has already been started. Once those two clear, we're going to keep the compost over here now, because the trailer does have to go back over here. But this is where we're at, guys. We did a lot today. We did a lot. All right, BB, you did a live.
I did.
Did you have a good time on your live?
Well, yeah, what little I could. You know.
You did notice everyone now is talking to each other, even though you're busy. So
even though I
that's a
was
good
busy.
thing.
So kudos to you guys.
Guys, keep yourself communicating with each other. It's a safe place to talk and have fun.
Yes.
You know, as long as it becomes every time the same people over and over.
You get to know one another.
Yeah.
You know, it's like we're one big family.
Yeah. So just think of us like a little web connection to talk and meet other friends. And then if you want to take it from there, you can take it from that point on.
Yes.
You know, you could trust people. And, you know, if anyone new and comes in and runs their mouth, you already know who they are.
Yep.
Versus the ones that are having fun.
Yep.
But the live is not only just for us, it's for you guys too. A place to hang out.
Yep.
Reminds me of Puerto Rico, when we were cutting the trees in Puerto Rico.
Oh, that was lovely.
Remember?
Yes.
When we used to do the lives in Puerto Rico working on the farm. Those are some good old days there. But we did a lot today.
Past
BB,
2 days.
your little thing there came out good.
Yeah, my little planter. I like that. That's cute.
Yeah, so if anyone wants to see it, go back to the live and you see how she made it. Anything else? Because I'm pooped, dude.
I know, me too.
I'm pooped. I don't know how long we've been out here for, but when we came out here at 8 o'clock.
Yeah, and then now it's
And it's already 1 o'clock.
Oh,
8, 9,
shit.
10, 11, 12. 5 hours too many. We're out here 5 hours.
3 hours too many.
Too many.
All right,
So
so until the next one, everybody take care of one another, take care of yourselves. Happy gardening. See ya.